and from back, you know, just back-to-back jobs, like booking stuff, like it was crazy. But you know, like it was still hard. You know, I was still struggling with life. You know, going to the hood, doing this regular job, baby mama. You guys know about that, right?
Some of them.
Some of us.
All right, Fabian, tell us a little bit about yourself, real quick. What's up?
I grew up in Echo Park, you know, and I started like him, started off in doing bad stuff. But that's just
Got some Echo Park kids in the house.
That's just that one person.
And at least you got a clap.
Yeah.
I got crickets.
You got that.
But I at the age of like 13 and 12, I got into skateboarding by just like it was a mistake. You know, there was some chinos down the street that were hopping on the board, and me and my homie came over there on our bikes, and we were like tripping out on them, like, wow, how you make that hop? So we got into it, like, and then they were pretty soon we got into it so much that I stole my first skateboard in Pasadena, and then and from there I took off, and I continued skating. I turned pro at the age of 19.
You borrowed it.
And
you borrowed it.
Yeah, I borrowed it.
The skateboard didn't have low jack on it?
No, no, but you know what's funny is that same person, years later, to fast forward, you know, I turned pro, I traveled around the world skateboarding. It showed me a whole other, like, new things, you know, like I would never have seen if I wasn't skateboarding. And so, that guy that I stole the skateboard from, my first skateboard, he found me on Facebook after I got out of prison. I was in prison for 8.5 years. And so I got out, and then there's a Facebook and there's Instagram and all this stuff, right? And I'm like, wow. So my